Hi everyone, welcome to Faith and Flour. I'm Robin, and today's video is a power hour cleaning video. My son and husband are out and they will be back in almost exactly an hour, so I have a short to-do list that I want to see if I can complete before they get here. For my to-do list today, I want to start in the kitchen by finishing the dishes and cleaning the island countertop. Then I plan to vacuum, mop, and water my plants, so I'll try to see if I can get all that done within the hour. Washing out these stainless steel cups. They're from Walmart, from Ozark Trails, and they're sort of the knockoff of the Yeti cup. We use ours every day. We keep them filled with cold water and they stay cold all day long. We each have our own cup, and I love using them because it really saves money because we don't buy bottled water. Plus, it's so much better for the environment. And I like using them also when we're on the go. They fit perfectly in the cup holders of my car, and I have cold water wherever I go. After I dry everything off, I'm going to put them away and clear the countertop so that I can clean it. I know you probably can't tell in the video, but the island is really messy. We had breakfast and lunch on it, and I still haven't had a chance to clean it off. Plus my cutting board needs to be wiped down, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm using my Norwex microfiber cloth to clean the cutting board, and all I need is water to do that. I only use our cutting board for vegetables and fruits, but even if I did cut meat on it, the Norwex cloth would do a great job of removing all of the bacteria with just water. Along with my Norwex cloth, I'm using the Method Daily Granite Cleaner, and it's sort of an extra step that isn't really necessary, but I like using it because it smells great, and it also seems to sort of condition the stone and leave it really nice and shiny clean. I buy all of my cleaning products from the Grove Collaborative. They are such an excellent company. I can buy all natural products there, have them delivered for free, and the prices really cannot be beat. If you're interested in giving them a try, I invite you to use my referral code, which I have in the description box below. If you decide to use it, you can receive a 5-piece free gift set with your first order. They will also give you a free 60-day trial of their VIP membership, which gets you free shipping. And if you decide you like that, it's only $20 a year. Before putting everything back on the island, I will wipe it down with my microfiber cloth. And I wanted to burn a candle while I was cleaning, so here I'm just trimming the wicks, and I will light it and then enjoy the smell of fresh peach while I'm cleaning. The candle that I'm burning right now is from Bath & Body Works, and it's their peach scent that is made with essential oils. My kitchen smells so great right now, and I really find it motivating when I'm cleaning. The dishes and the countertop are clean, so I'm on to vacuuming. Now that I've finished vacuuming the kitchen floor and the entryway to our garage, I want to mop the floors. My mop is from Norwex, and this is the tile mop pad. And I love it. All you have to do is add water, wring it out, and it's good to go. last thing on my to-do list is to water my plants, and this aloe plant is one that is doing so well in this window. Unfortunately, not all of my plants are doing quite this well. I have another one, and I actually don't know the name of it, which is suffering a little bit. So if you guys have any plant knowledge, maybe you can help me out. I'm not sure if I'm watering it too much or too little, if it's getting enough sun or not. This plant that I have hanging in our pantry and over my desk was given to me by a friend, and it's doing really well. It's a type of succulent, and I only water it about every other week. In our dining room, I have a philodendron, which does great in low light. And sometimes when we have guests, I'll move it to the guest room, but it really likes this spot on our dining room table. In our bedroom, I have something that is related to a spider plant, I believe, and then I have an African violet. The spider plant is doing really well here. The African violet, I think, is suffering a little bit because I moved it to a new pot. I'm not really sure, so if you guys have any advice on African violets, I'd really appreciate it. I tend to do really great with some plants and not so great with others. The last plants I wanted to show you are my orchids, and they're the ones that I have the most success with. It did take me a little while to figure out how to care for them and to get them in a location where they would really thrive. But they like this south-facing window in our dining room, and they do great here. I take them over to my sink and I just pour water into them and let them drain completely in the sink. And then I give them a little spritz with some water just to keep the humidity level up for them. At this time of year, they're not blooming, but they're really beautiful in the early spring, and they usually last for at least 3 months or so. And if you're curious to see what one looks like, I have them in my end credits, so stay till the end of the video and you'll see the one that was blooming this past spring. I have about 5 minutes now until they get home, so I was really glad that I decided to do the power hour, and thank you guys for coming along. I find that it really works so well to set your timer for an hour and just start ticking off that to-do list. I'm always amazed at what I get accomplished and how it takes so much less time than I anticipated. Now that you've watched till the end, you get to see my beautiful orchid when it was in bloom this spring. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And if you do, make sure you hit that bell icon so that you're notified of all my new videos. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.